Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight we're gonna get back on the Bronco. I'll just show you how that turned out. Still has the stripes in it, but it's painted, so I'll just put it up and focus on this again. This is gonna come off tonight. If I had to cut it off, hammer it off, or something, it's coming off because I'm tired dealing with it, and hopefully it'll come off and it won't damage the kick panel too much, and we can try to fit the new one to it. But other good news is, all this time we've been messing with this one, the new one for the driver's side's coming in tomorrow, so we'll have stuff that we can start on this as soon as we get this done. That's my plan tonight, is just work on that, take it off, cut it or grind it. I don't care now, so we'll get that off and try to fit the new one. Here's the Healy fender. We could use another coat or two, I think, especially on this area, because this area looks pretty good, like it covered it pretty well, but you can see the stripes in it. But overall, I mean, at least it's not rusting anymore, I hope. But that's just a bug. But it didn't do too bad. I mean, it's a good primer to kind of help seal off the middle, I suppose. But I'll get a epoxy primer, I believe, for when I excuse me, when I shoot the Bronco for this final paint prep. We'll use the epoxy primer, I believe, and shoot everything with that, and hopefully we can rhino line this in here and paint this. I'm still not sure what color yet, because I told Wimbledon white to my wife and she kind of wasn't too thrilled about it, so keep her happy. I guess I'll see what color she wants. But that is coming off tonight. I don't care what we have to do to get it off. We made some progress. You see right there, we exposed where it was welded. So I'm thinking, finger up there, might need to take a little bit more through here, but that's pretty good seam right there that we can see. So I think I'm gonna turn my attention to this side and kind of do the same thing on it. Just grind until I find something. But it shouldn't be too terrible, because I think this is it right through here. But we'll see. Alright, here's what she looks like. Don't know if I did a good job or not. I'm gonna do a lot of cleanup around that area, but it's not attached anymore, which is kind of what I was going for. But I think I'm gonna try to take it off now. I don't know if that's gonna work out or not. I tried, so about to use this. I'm gonna cut along the seam all the way down. I'll see if I can peel that forward. All right, cut it most of the way except for the top right there. Now I'm just gonna hit it. I think there's one more spot weld way up there. I'm gonna try what a viewer suggested, use a 1/8 drill bit in the center, then drill it out with a 5/16. That seemed to work a whole lot better and faster than my spot weld cutter. I think we might have finally got it. Just like that is super easy. I guess you can probably tell that I missed some spot welds, and I decided just to cut it. So I'm replacing this anyways. But I don't know if I can fit the new one up against it, because from hitting with a hammer, kind of messed the panel up, which is already rusted, but anyways. And I messed this up, which I think I can probably hammer it back straight. But I drilled out the spot weld, and it took it with it, so I might have to fill that in with weld and put another spot weld right here somewhere. But I guess let's get the new one and see how it fits to that. I don't know if you could tell, but that doesn't line up at all. Of course, I need to work on this area, so I bent that out a little bit, but sorry. I get it up there, it needs to be like that. You can see those, I can't focus those marks there. They don't line up at all. And the back side here doesn't line up down to the bottom. So if I bring it over and I match up with that one, there's a big gap right there. So more than likely, I'm gonna have to do like Mustang Rehab said, and take the back part off, put the new panel on, line up the front the best I can with the measurements I took, and then tack it on, and then tack the back to it, and hopefully it'll fit. But kind of see why I want to take it off, because there's nothing but rust behind it. But that took longer than expected. All right, I think that'll do it for me tonight. It's going on 1 o'clock, and I actually have an interview for a job tomorrow, so I need to get some rest, but at least we got that off. I'm happy about that. Some of the video I just didn't shoot because it was just me hitting it with a hammer or pulling at it, and I don't want to waste y'all's time, but at least it's off, and we can start taking the kick panel off and getting this front inner apron ordered. Still haven't ordered it yet. I'm going to do that this weekend, and that way we can start putting stuff on it and getting it all welded up. But anyways, thanks for watching, and if you enjoy seeing me struggle with stuff and not really know what to do, just like, comment, and subscribe. Post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It's usually stuff on the Bronco, but as the last video, I did a little bit on the Healy, and it just depends on what I feel like doing. But now I'm really feeling like getting this one up and running, so I'll probably concentrate on that for now on. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next.